Hi everyone, Karina here with LowTE Florida. I wanted to pop on here and talk a little bit about our ZO skin health products that we have here at our practice. As you know, we specialize in hormones here, and hormones can directly affect a person's skin. It could be breakouts, pigmentation, dryness, signs of early aging. All of that is hormone driven, and that's why here we like to personalize our skincare to those issues. We love our ZO Skin Health. It's a medical grade skincare designed to actually correct the skin at a cellular level. We treat things like acne and hormonal breakouts. So for those types of things, we like to recommend our complexion clearing mask, which is a clay-based treatment that can pull oil and impurities directly from the pores while still hydrating the skin. And for stubborn breakouts, we recommend the retinol plus acne complex, which delivers 1% retinol and is encapsulated with salicylic acid to help clear congestion and overall smooth the texture of the skin. This one is pretty powerful, so that's something that you want to start gradually, and it's great for spot treatment. So people suffering from hormonal breakouts, that's one of the best products you can get. As far as people who are worried about early aging or anti-aging products and skin repair, definitely recommend our daily power defense. It's something that will strengthen the skin barrier, repair DNA damage, and protect against environmental stress. We also like to layer in the firming serum to help with elasticity. And one of our favorite products here in office is the Growth Factor serum to heal, plump, and smooth out those fine lines. Who doesn't want that? And this is especially helpful if your hormones have caused you to have thinner skin, or you feel your skin is more fragile than it used to be. As far as people who are looking for a more brightening effect or help with those dark spots, my personal favorite is using the 10% vitamin C self-activating serum. This helps to brighten any pigmentation or just overall help with discoloration of the skin. And to refine the texture and the pores, we love to use the exfoliating polish and the instant pore refiner to give you that smooth mattifying appearance. As far as people who are suffering from excessive dryness of the skin, we have a few different things that can help with that. We have our renewal cream, our recovery cream, or the hydrating cream. So we match the moisturizer to your skin needs. And everything that I recommend to anyone, any age, would be to use a sunscreen. Sunscreen is a non-negotiable, and we offer sunscreens that also include a primer. So we have our sunscreen plus primer with an SPF 30, and we also have the Smart Tone SPF 50 that matches your skin tone. So it's going to help protect against those UVA, UVB, blue light, and infrared damage, while also keeping your skin calm and flawless. So if you're looking for a new skin routine, just give us a call at 954-791-4498 or visit our website to browse our products at lowteflorida.com.